Welcome. In this video I'll show how you can open zip files on Android. So to start, launch the Google Play Store, open search, and look for the app named RAR, as in R-A-R. A classic one, a staple from Windows PC. Archiving, should I say. Now once the app is installed, launch it, set the app up by providing it with an all files access, and now you can open archived files in general or zip files in particular directly from the app by, I guess, tapping at this plus archive, or no, this one I think. Yeah, you'll need to first select the file that you would like to open. In my case, the file is stored in the download folder. Here is the file .zip, and that's this zip file opened. From here I can extract it or unpack it by pressing the little upload icon here and pressing OK. Or once the RAR application is installed, you can directly open your file manager, find the zip file in question, then tap on it, select extract, and that's it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye bye.